guys, welcome back to Made by Nale. So today I'll be showing you how to make these super cute scrunchies, super easy to make. Feel like a lot of people love a scrunchie and summer is here. No excuse not to wear a scrunchie, and you can do this sustainably. Like, you can just pick up, if my mum is watching this, I'm sorry mum, you can pick up one of these. Look, this is me and my cutting scissors situation, or cutting things. You can literally cut the arm of something like this, add elastic, and girls, I'm telling you, you've got a scrunchie. So scrunchies are super easy. Like, if you don't have a sewing machine, you can still make one. I can show you that. I've got a YouTube video already explaining how you can make a scrunchie without a sewing machine. But for the purpose of today, I'll be just showing you a more up-to-date way that I've been doing it. But anyway, I just wanted us to touch base real quick. Guys, let's touch base. So it's coming up to about, what, 3 months of being consistent with YouTube, and I just cannot believe it. Like, I cannot believe it. It's more of like an internal thing. Like, you can actually do it, because beforehand I was never posting, and now that I'm posting more often everywhere I go, I'm just finding inspiration. I'm just getting more inspired, and I'm so grateful. So if you guys could continue to like, comment and share, I would love that, so that we can do some more creative DIYs. I actually did a really cool DIY, but I just feel like it's so short. I basically DIY'd some of my boots and made them so bougie in less than 2.0 seconds, but that video would have been so short, so I might just do like a YouTube short on it, or like a TikTok. Thank you so much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate. Mwah.
So let's get to making, guys. So what you want to do is grab your scissors. I cut roughly 4 inches wide, and you want to go up about 28 centimeters long. So if you increase the width and you increase the length, you get different sizes. You either get it larger or smaller. So that's what I did. And then you want to take the fabric and fold it into half. You'll get something then like this. And then I took it to my sewing machine and literally did a straight stitch. You can do a zigzag stitch, and it should look like something like this, long. And then you want to take your elastic and literally a quarter size you want of that length. Then you want to feed it in. I was using a bobby pin because I had no other pin. Then you just want to feed it through. It's better to use safety pins, because then you can connect the safety pin to the other end and it won't come undone. Like, you won't like accidentally like not hold on to it and then it just disappears, if you know what I mean. But for a more detailed, you see what I'm doing there, you could easily lose it, so you have to be super careful. But I've got another detailed tutorial on this feeding process. I will link it to this video directly. And guys, you just want to close it up with a zigzag stitch, and that's how you make a scrunchie. But watch my longer video.